In a bold leap towards the future of gaming peripherals, ASUS has unveiled its much-anticipated ROG Ranger 2 wireless customized mechanical keyboard in China. Tailor-made for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike, the ROG Ranger 2 promises to elevate gaming experiences to unprecedented heights, with its innovative appearance and versatile connectivity options. One of the key features that sets the ROG Ranger 2 apart is its Omni receiver, a breakthrough in wireless technology. Gamers can say goodbye to cable clutter and revel in the freedom of movement without compromising on precision. ASUS continues to push the boundaries of gaming peripherals, with the introduction of the highly customizable and cutting-edge ROG Ranger 2 mechanical keyboard. Embracing innovation and convenience, this keyboard offers a 98-key layout, making it a compact powerhouse that retains all the essential function and number keys. The ASUS ROG Ranger 2 mechanical keyboard boasts 3 connection options, catering to different gaming setups and preferences. Gamers can take advantage of the smooth 2.4 GHz wireless connection, the convenience of Bluetooth, or opt for a traditional wired connection via USB. This cutting-edge innovation reduces power consumption by an impressive 50%, extending battery life and allowing gamers to enjoy longer sessions without the worry of constant recharging. With the inclusion of an Omni receiver, the ROG Ranger 2 takes wireless convenience to new heights. However, it's worth noting that only a few devices currently support this technology, although its potential for broader compatibility is promising. ASUS understands the importance of a mesmerizing gaming setup, and the ROG Ranger 2 doesn't disappoint. Its customizable RGB lighting effects can last an astounding 1,750 hours, ensuring that the immersive atmosphere continues to enhance gaming experiences for an extended period. The keyboard's build quality is top-notch, utilizing the ROG NX Shui white shaft body. This specialized appearance supports full key hot swapping, allowing gamers to customize their keyboard configuration to suit their playstyle without any hassle. Convenience and efficiency are at the heart of the ROG Ranger 2's appearance. The upper right corner features a 3-way knob, granting effortless control over multimedia functions, volume adjustments, and lighting effects. With just a twist, gamers can fine-tune their settings on the fly, without the need for cumbersome software installations or complex key combinations. The ASUS ROG Ranger 2 mechanical keyboard redefines the gaming experience with its array of innovative features and thoughtful appearance. Combining cutting-edge technology with aesthetics, this keyboard sets a new standard for customization, durability, and performance. The ROG Ranger 2 is engineered with a unique shock absorption appearance that minimizes the impact on your fingers during intense gaming sessions. This feature ensures reduced fatigue and increased comfort, allowing you to focus on the game without any distractions. With every keystroke, you'll feel the difference in responsiveness and enjoy a smoother, more immersive gaming experience. ASUS understands the importance of personal expression in gaming setups. The ROG Ranger 2 doesn't disappoint with its captivating RGB lighting effects, allowing you to create an ambience that matches your unique style. The keyboard supports an array of lighting patterns, colors, and synchronization options through the ASUS Aura Sync technology, making your gaming station come to life with every press of a key. To truly make the ROG Ranger 2 your own, the keyboard comes with desktop driver settings that allow you to fine-tune every aspect of your gaming experience. Whether it's assigning macros, customizing lighting effects, or adjusting key functions, you have full control at your fingertips. The ROG Ranger 2 features 3 speed feet that allow you to adjust the keyboard's angle to suit your typing preference. These feet ensure a stable platform during intense gaming sessions, and can be easily adjusted to cater to various ergonomic requirements. The ASUS ROG Ranger 2 customized mechanical keyboard is available for purchase via JD.com in China, priced at 1,099 yuan or about $153. Unfortunately, as of the current information available, there is no confirmation of its global availability. However, ASUS's commitment to excellence suggests that global enthusiasts may soon have the opportunity to experience this groundbreaking keyboard firsthand. I'm glad you watched this video to the end. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.